Welcome back, YouTube.
What's happening?
What's that?
GG.
Back in
Kendall Jean.
is driving today.
She's gonna try her hot hand here on some Optic. Try to get her first downtown ever.
That's right. That's right.
Yes.
It's gonna happen.
Yep.
She's got 4 of the well, I guess they're Walmart version with the purple shocks. We did get these from local card shop. We've ripped starting to rip a good bit of this now.
Yeah.
Got I think this is a 6th or 7th video, 7th rip on Optic. We've done really well.
We have done really well. Yes.
Oh, now we're all gonna suffocate. So this will be the last video we ever do. So whoever finds our setup here, so they can sell all the stuff we have,
Send help.
and starting to get a little woozy.
Call an ambulance.
So anyway,
Starting
let's
to get a
give
little
it a shot.
woozy.
And hopefully I'll live it through the all I need is fresh air.
Why am I struggling?
So we're gonna get 3 purple shock. Probably get two hollows, and I would say 1 uptown or down per box.
Per box
is what we're looking at.
That's what I'm looking at.
But,
Yeah.
Kendall hasn't pulled any of those, so she's probably gonna pull per box. Not be able to sleep all night because that's it. Which is good.
Right.
So
Here we go.
Dexter. And a blue glitter.
Oh.
Blue glitter right off the bat.
What?
Kamari Lassiter on the blue glitter. That is a case hit.
Yay.
Oh yay.
Oh yay.
Could have been
Shiny.
somebody better, but you know what?
You know what?
It's a hollow of Patty Mahomes. So,
Man, those are cool.
And
Anthony Gould on the rookie.
I'm about out of sleeves again.
I go. So case hit, first pack, first.
that would be that easy.
So yeah, your second card, your second card will be your case hit card.
Okay.
You got there. Devin Singletary. Keenan Allen. Purple of Brandon Fisk. Seen that guy 157 million times.
Of course you do.
John Coleman.
Which is 157 times too many.
Yes. All right.
Come on, it's over here.
Okay. Chris Olave. Cortland Sutton. Yeah. Another commander that's not Jaden Daniels. Luke McCaffrey on the purple. So Cooper DeJean. We're getting some different rookies.
That's cool.
That's the one I wanted.
Good.
No, definitely not the one we wanted. But
Juju.
Smith.
Rockwan. Legarius on the hollow. Let's put it up here.
Oh.
And then Torrey Taylor. All right. It's like TJ Hawkinson. Quay Walker. Devin Culp. I feel like we've gotten that before. Oh, there's a.
Oh, there's a McCarthy.
There you go. I know you want to see that one.
I think I have that one. Don't you?
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Cool.
Last pack of this first pack. Get the case hit on that first pack.
That's right. Blue glitter. Neither one of us even pulled one of them yet.
Jalen Ramsey. J.C. Horn. Oh, it's Malik on the throwback.
Yeah.
Cool. And Tyron Tracy. All right.
I don't know if you want to see that one. I just put that there.
On throwback.
Yeah. They're doing too bad.
All right, last two. Let's see if they can get a downtown.
Yes.
I like Optic still.
I'm not a big fan of that town.
Bigger, huh? So
Yeah.
Down.
Mm.
It's down. The ounces are still going to hold their value a little better.
Yeah.
And there seems to be less, you know. Okay.
Something in there shining.
Yeah.
Hollow.
Yeah, hollow. Sam Darnold. Curtis Samuel. Cooper.
Oh, Cooper. I thought it was
Cooper on the cup. No, it's hollow.
That's
Put that
hollow.
there.
Oh, it's
Ben Sinat. Seen that guy before.
It's raining. You hear it rain?
Is it raining?
Yep.
Huh.
Do you not hear it?
I think I may
It'll
have
be
left my
raining
windows
downtown in
down.
here.
Yes.
Is your windows down?
I think they might be
Oh,
down.
yeah. Let's clean up the inside of your
Oh.
The Devon A-Chain. DJ Moore. There's a Jordan Travis.
Jordan Travis on the
No, we got a
purple.
quarterback there, but
Not the one we want.
Christian. Not the one we're looking for.
Nope. But there's nothing important in the car.
Well, there's really not, but still.
The rock isn't in there.
Tyler Higbee. Josh Hines Allen. There's a Ricky Pierce.
Ricky
Oh,
Pierce
purple.
on the purple.
All right. Lajeen Edwards. Starting to get some motivation for him. Rain.
Yeah, I hear it.
I didn't hear it right.
Thank you. I heard rain.
I don't hear the best. Joey Bosa.
No, neither.
Kyle Hamilton. There's a hollow.
Hollow.
Please.
That'll go good with that purple.
Yep.
And then
Yes,
I
it
guess
will.
we got a Michael Pratt.
There you go.
I think we're definitely covered with the Michael
Oh.
Pratt.
Michael Pratt. We have, I think that's 4th and 5th Michael Pratt.
Yes.
That's a lot.
Stacking up, Mike. Stack them up.
Mm.
Got purple in here.
Yep.
Isaiah Spiller. Xavier McKinney. Jamari Thrash.
Of course.
Jaden Hicks. Best packing blaster, too.
I feel like the purples are thicker than the wild card.
Maybe a touch bigger. All right. Got there. Kevin Myers. Any other types?
Tyson.
Light it up. Got that guy before.
Why did you talk?
Travis Kelsey. And Tony Franklin. Batman.
Oh.
Kelsey.
Oh.
All right. Coming in blasting through here. Time to put up the heat here.
Yes.
Get another case hit.
That's right.
For school.
Yeah. Very
There's
cool.
Seabug.
Yes. Sorry. T.
And now thinking your tea. Like J.R. Spock.
Hey.
Think after. We've only seen one now. Oh.
Again?
Ow.
Guess I shouldn't have ate that Anthony's.
Oh, yeah, blame it on Anthony.
Well, I have something.
Yeah.
Probably had baked beans.
Tua. Cow Pits. Chris Jenkins.
Again?
Lad. Chris.
What's wrong with you?
Oh, gosh.
This is probably why Jaden doesn't want to come.
Puka. Andre. Mason. No.
Oh, that's over.
Dallas Turner. Goodness gracious. Where's all the good stuff?
He's not a good quarterback, period, besides this DJ here.
It's unheard. Hayden Hurst. Gabriel Davis. Dejon Edwards.
We've had plenty of him in that purple and
Nate
pink.
Wade. Yeah, we have. Crazy.
It really hurts.
I bet.
Yeah.
Max Crosby. Miles Garrison. Primary colors, Aldrich Estime.
I don't know.
And John Romero. 2 packs left. More bun.
Exactly.
Sadly. Very, very sadly. Jacob. Oh, John Dodson. Kirk Cousins. Buddha. Buddha on the hollow. Andre Sweat. 4 Tennessee rookies. Yep, we saw them.
Couple times over.
Oh, yeah. Alrighty. Legarius Sneed. Dave Montgomery. Michael Brass.
There you go.
And Jaquan Jackson.
This has to be the one.
That's got to be the one, she said.
Yep.
That's got to be it.
Well, since it's the last one, I think you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Save the best for last.
Yep. What's wrong with you?
It's wrong.
I think it's that stink bug.
Yeah. That's my last thing, but
I can't compete with that.
no, I couldn't even take it.
That must be the stink bug. Good lord. Gotta go with one of the others.
Oh, yeah. All right, Kendall.
Already.
Matt Stafford. Jerome Ford. Joe Milton on the purple.
Joe Milton on the
A
purple.
little better. Kamari Vidal. So yeah, that's not hateful.
No, that is not hateful.
I hate
Been shiny.
Huh?
Something shiny.
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 Quentin Johnson. Zay Jones. How many of that guy did they make?
Too many. We already have too
We
many.
having that daggone Viking kicker.
Oh, yeah.
And Michael Pratt.
Michael Pratt. The wrong colors, wrong shoes.
I mean, you're taking the good with the bad here.
We are.
Oh,
Thank goodness the good seems to outweigh the bad so far.
Jake.
Michael Mayer. Patrick Surtain. There's a Brendan Wright.
Brendan Rice on
Purple. Max Milton.
Never heard of him before.
3 packs. Good lordy. Zach Ertz. James Cook. There we go.
Hey!
Yeah.
That's what we're talking about.
Next.
There you go.
Xavier Worthy.
Heck yes.
Finally. Nick, lighten it up. Lighten it up.
Nice.
DeAndre Hopkins. Joe Mixon. Cortland Sutton on the hollow. Jonathan Brooks. I'm starting to see a little bit different.
Yeah.
Pieces. Kendall.
There's
Huh?
a thick card.
Oh,
Oh, you got a mem?
got a mem to finish up the rip. Let's see if we can get a numbered mem. That would be fantabulous.
Okay, let's see.
Fantabulous.
So this dude.
From the back.
From this dude.
Malachi on the purple.
There you go.
There's a Bucky.
There's a Bucky.
All right.
First Bucky of the evening.
Slide it down. It's probably upside down. Slide it down. Oh, this might be a. I don't know what it is.
Okay, guess.
What's the letters? XLE.
Xavier Leggett.
Oh, yeah.
Wee.
Yep. Fresh.
Freshman.
First year.
Yeah, first year fresh.
First year fresh. All right.
Look at it. It's cool. It's like illusion. It's kind of.
First
like
year
gold.
fresh.
That's a wild looking card, isn't it?
It is. All right. Well,
we done?
That was it. There's the old recap.
So got.
Bo Nix on the light it up.
Oh my god.
Joe Milton on the purple. Shock.
This dude.
Base JJ. And then that's the case hit blue glitter. Kamari Lassiter. And then we did get the very last pack. Got the Xavier Leggett on the
mem.
First year fresh. Oh, All right, well, like, subscribe, leave us a comment, tell us how Kendall did. Still looking for her first downtown pull.
That's right.
And we're
Yep.
moving on to some more. Brother JR's gonna rip some more of his and hopefully keep the drive alive and the heat rolling.
That's right. That's right.
Thanks for watching. EGD.
Out.